Imagine driving down the highway and a calm voice warns you, "Speed camera ahead in 800 meters." You slow down, avoid a $200 fine, and keep driving stress-free. That's exactly what the TomTom Speed Cameras app can do for you, and today I'll show you how. A few months ago, my friend Sam was driving through a new city. He didn't know the roads, but halfway down the highway, his phone buzzed with a voice alert, "Speed camera ahead." He slowed down just in time. A camera flashed behind him seconds later. He looked shocked but smiled. The app saved him a ticket. Sam now uses TomTom Speed Cameras every trip. That night, he told me I wasn't lucky. The app just knew. Sam's story shows two things. First, early warnings can save money and stress. Second, real-time data from other users is the secret behind TomTom's accuracy. You'll see both of these in action as we go through the app today. TomTom Speed Cameras alerts you to fixed and mobile speed cameras, traffic lights with cameras, and average speed zones. It uses a constantly updated map with live reports from drivers around you, keeping you aware of every hidden trap on the road. Download the app from Google Play or the official TomTom website. Give it location and notification permissions, then choose your alert style, sound, vibration, or both. Enable automatic updates so you always get the latest camera data. You'll see a live map showing your location and upcoming alerts. A red circle means a fixed camera. A yellow square means a danger zone like accidents or schools. You can adjust how early you get warnings, early, medium, or close, depending on your driving speed. Use TomTom alongside Google Maps or Waze. Keep Maps for directions and TomTom for camera alerts. Turn on community updates. These rely on user reports for mobile cameras. Remember, the app is meant for safety, not to encourage speeding. In some countries, using apps that show camera locations is restricted or illegal. Always check your local traffic laws before using it. Sam told me that over the last few trips, the app probably saved him hundreds of dollars in fines and gave him peace of mind. If you want me to make another video showing advanced settings or how to connect TomTom with other navigation apps, comment below. Don't forget to like the video if it helped you, subscribe for more driving and tech tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Drive smarter, not faster, and let TomTom do the watching for you.